My people, I don't bring on another harass matter wey happen for one photographer. This one dey for Port Harcourt. Yes, police officers stop this guy. Oh, and now know their regular way. Wey you understand? Now so they stop am. The guy come dey wonder wetin he do. Una no go believe matter wey they bring up this time around. These people, when they see say they no get any other way to catch you, they go just they bring nonsense things. Now so they carry the guy papers. Oh, they can't tell the guy say him engine number no dey correct. I shock. Ha! Which one come be your engine number is not correct? Say may bring in paper, may check am, may this one. Oh yeah, the guy can't tell the officer say, bros, show me the engine number. Since you say it's not correct, oh yeah, show me, then let's look at it. Officer no fit show engine number. Now so the officer come dey tell us, say, call your mechanic. The mechanic. Abeg biko, may we put this so that I go see. Now you see wetin they talk about. Abeg join me, make we watch the video.
You're with my papers, and you say that my engine number is not correct. I said, show me the engine number in the car. Mr. Wulu, show me the engine number in the car. I'm just before Ikokuya, this Catholic church. You say my papers is faulty, that there is an engine number and it's not on the paper. Show me that engine number. Let us cross-check it with the paper he has here and find out. Okay, no, you kill me. You know what is going on. This is your Facebook. You know what is going on. Show me the engine number. I didn't do anything. You're with my papers. You said the engine number is not correct. Show me the engine number in the car. You cannot show me. You're telling me to call a mechanic. Is that how we behave? You guys will kill me. Christian Wulu, my one police. You show me the engine number. I brought my van. You have searched the car. He's going around the car. Show me the engine number. You cannot show me. Give me my papers. You don't want me to go. Why? You're not seeing any number and you're writing fake numbers. A mechanic will cross-check the numbers. No, don't worry. No, a mechanic will cross-check the numbers. You guys want to embarrass yourself.
So Nigeria police now. Oh God, have mercy. Nigeria police now. You don't leave police work. You don't talk to mechanic. Nigeria police. No see even they check. Now only our police people now go see say they do different works. Some be lawyers. Police person go do lawyer work. He go do road safety work. He go do traffic warden work. He go do mechanic work like the one I just watch. Only for Nigeria. Always looking for way to extort money from people every time. Now like this, God go they disgrace una. Now like this. Engine number. Your papers are this one. This photographer, the owner of that car service is too lenient. If not me, I go push you inside that engine where you define. I go push you inside, close my bonnet. Nonsense. You define engine number. This one. It go soon reach seat number. They will soon they stop people now say, where is your seat number? You're under arrest, or you have to give me something. Now go define wetin no exist for this life. They make money on top. I'm not just. I beg, my question first of all be say, wetin these people want use engine number do? It's important to ask questions. What do they want to use engine number? Wetin they want use and do? If you tell me say your papers don't expire or something, or you no get plate number or a hair, okay, we fit think engine number. See old people now wey we get for uniform wey they no want retire. Old people na full Nigeria police. And una go they come outside, they give us they compare white people outside and this one. Una go they compare. Shame no even they catch una. Una check abroad people how they are. See them young people inside their uniform that fit them where they are doing their work. And they are trained. Their head is working. Our own. Una go stop for one junction, drink paraga, finish. When una finish, una come enter street, they misbehave. Engine number. Very good. No problem. No, you see that engine number. If I be that photographer, we go there. We die here. You see the engine number, you must provide that. I no go call any mechanic because the thing where you start, you go finish am. Nigeria police, disgrace to Nigeria itself. I never see, but it is well. As usual, na the only thing wey I fit dey talk. My people, I don bring una the matter na wey dey Port Harcourt as we dey speak. So abeg share this video, make everybody know say Nigeria people now don turn Nigeria police now they don turn mechanic, very very important. And una go also dey alert of their new tactics. Anything wey you no get for your car, they go just dey give a name so that they go collect money from you. Very important. And don't forget to drop your comment for that comment section. Why not? If not, I'm going to reply on one by one as usual. And subscribe so that you no go miss engine number matter like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.